Students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Students, as you all know that I have assigned you the home task to learn grammar skill, page number 35 and 35, 36 and 38. So today we will revise the topic of grammar skill, gerunds. First we will see the definition and the examples of gerund. Definition: a gerund is a noun made from a verb. To make a gerund, you add ing to the verb. Visiting the real valley is an exciting experience. Visiting is a gerund. I like going to La Punta every summer. Going is a gerund. After having lunch, we will go to Pelominius Island. Having is a gerund. I go shopping at Mall Ventura Plaza every weekend. Shopping is a gerund. Now let's move on. Exercise. Make new sentences by replacing the infinitive verb with gerund. Means you have to change infinitive verb into gerund. You have to change to plus first form of the verb into first form of the verb plus ing. To park in the city is more difficult than to find a parking space in suburban shopping center. Parking in the city is more difficult finding a parking space in a suburban shopping center. In this sentence, we have changed to park into parking and to find into finding. To be a good citizen means to put society's needs before your own. Being a good citizen means putting society's needs before your own. In this sentence, we have changed to be into being and to put into putting. To help others often means to give up your own priorities. In this sentence, helping others often means giving up your own priorities. In this sentence, we will change to help into helping, to give into giving. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. To err, we will change to err into erring, and to forgive into forgiving. Erring is human, but forgiving is divine. To give up is better than to receive. Giving is better than receiving. We have changed to give into giving and to receive into receiving. To give is better than to receive. Giving is better than receiving. To run is faster than to jog. Running is faster than jogging. We have changed to run into running and to jog into jogging. To see is to believe. Seeing is believing. We have changed to see into seeing and to believe into believing. To spare the rod means to spoil the child. Sparing the rod means spoiling the child. To spare, we will change to spare into sparing and to spoil into spoiling. It is easier to sketch on ice than to sketch on rollerblades. It is easier sketching on ice than sketching on rollerblades. We have changed to skate into sketching and again to skate into skating. Okay, come on. Okay, let's move on. Second exercise. Complete the following sentences by using gerund. In many countries, dash can provide an economical way of moving around. Cycling. Dash is exciting, especially if you catch a big wave. Surfing. Linda is talented in dash and has received awards in many art competitions. Painting. My friend's hobby is dash So she is going to make a big cake for my birthday. Baking. He was accused of dash in the examination. He was accused of cheating in the examination. Dash is easy, but only if your rope is of the correct length. Skipping. Skipping. Dash is a dangerous sport. Racing. Settling into a new school involves dash new friends. Making. The thief admitted dash is the priceless painting. Stealing. The thrifty housewife resented dash high price for branded goods. Paying. The independent boy detested dash on others. Relying. The shift worker is used to dash at night. Working. The beautiful film star. The beautiful film star dreaded dash aging. I cannot imagine dash at home in summer. Sweltering. Okay, students, now our today's revision is completed. So now I'm going to assign you the home task. What you have to do? You have to learn unit number 8, chapter number 4, question answers and words meaning. The new moon's question answers and words meaning. And you have to learn grammar skill page number 36, 37 and 38. Okay, students, we have completed our revision and also I have assigned you the home task. So now it's time to say goodbye. Have a beautiful day. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.